You've probably seen modded GTA San Andreas cutscenes before, but what if I told you you can replace any character in any cutscene by yourself in just a few minutes? It's actually very simple. Alright, let's start by picking the skin you want to use. You can download almost any GTA San Andreas skin online. I'm going to use a Spider-Man model from the PS4 game. You can find all the links in the description. After downloading it, just extract the archive anywhere on your computer. Inside the folder, you'll see several files, but we only need two of them, the DFF and the TXD. The DFF is the 3D model, and the TXD contains the textures. Now we need to choose which character we want to replace, and in which cutscene. For this tutorial, I'll replace Sweet in one of the early missions, tagging up turf. To find out which files the game uses, we need to open the cutscene archive. Let's download an IMG Editor. I personally recommend a tool called IMG Manager. As always, I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, once you've installed it, open IMG Manager tool. Click on File, then Open, and navigate to your GTA San Andreas folder. Go into the Models folder and select the file called cutscene.img, alright? This archive contains all the characters and objects used only during cutscenes. The game actually uses different models for gameplay, since cinematic scenes have more detailed facial animations. Now search for Sweet. You'll see that Sweet character uses CS Sweet.dff and CS Sweet.txd files. The CS stands for cutscene, but we won't replace the original files directly. Instead, we'll use Modloader tool. It lets you mod the game safely without breaking anything. Don't worry, if you don't have Modloader yet, you can grab it from the link in the description. Okay, now open your Modloader folder and create a new folder. I'll name mine Spider-Man. Then copy the Spider-Man DFF and TXD files into it. Now here's the important part. We need to rename the files to match the cutscene character, like this. If everything was done correctly, the game will now load Spider-Man instead of Sweet during the cutscene. Okay, let's see if it worked. And there we go. Sweet is now Spider-Man. Pretty simple, right? Now let's replace the main character, CJ. He works a little differently. You can't just swap his files like we did before. His body changes during the game. He can gain muscle, lose weight, and wear different clothes. If you simply replace the model, the game will most likely crash. So instead of replacing him directly, we're going to redirect the game to load a different cutscene character in his place. Alright, download the skin you want to use. I'll go with a Deadpool skin. After extracting it, you should see the DFF and TXD files again. Okay, now create a new folder inside Modloader and name it Deadpool. Then copy the Deadpool DFF and TXD files into that folder. Now there's one extra step. Download the free program HXD Hex Editor and install it. Then go to your GTA San Andreas folder and open the anim folder. That's where you'll find cuts.img file. Before we continue, I strongly recommend making a backup of this file, just in case. After that, open HXD and load your cuts.img file. Now at the top menu, click on Search and choose Replace. In the Search for field, type CS Play. This is the name the game uses for CJ during cutscenes. Now, in the Replace With field, enter a new name for your character. The name must start with CS and can only have 4 letters after it. For the Deadpool skin, I'll use CS Dead. If the name is longer, the game will crash, so make sure you keep the exact same format. Click Replace All. Now click on OK. Save the file and close the editor. Now go back to your Modloader Deadpool folder and rename the files like this. After that, make copies of both files and rename the copies too. When you're done, you should have 4 files inside your Deadpool folder, okay? Now start the game and enter a mission cutscene. If everything was done correctly, the game shouldn't crash, and CJ should now be replaced by Deadpool. And there you go, Deadpool is now part of the story. And that's it. Now you know how to replace characters in GTA San Andreas cutscenes. Let me know what character you tried. I'm curious how cursed your game became.